Alright, so you need someone to sign the loan for you, and yeah, if you find someone to do that, make sure they have good credit, because if they have good credit, you're gonna get the monthly payment you want. Let's see where to go. Yeah, you want them to have good credit. The person who signed for my car, they had like almost max credit, like almost 900, so that was really good. It brought my payment down really low, and my down payment was like 13,000. You don't need 13,000, but I mean, if you want the payment low, just do a higher down payment. But I wouldn't really recommend it, because now I'm kind of broke, but that's alright. I mean, there's really not much to it. Just yeah, just keep working, save the money, and then find a good deal. Don't get ripped off. That's really it. Have good credit, good down payment. You need to find someone to sign for you, because you can't legally sign unless you're over 18 or 18. Yeah, pops like crazy though. That's all you really need to do. Just get the money, good credit. Like, credit's everything. Like, if she didn't have good credit, I probably would not have gotten accepted, but they accepted me and I got it. Insurance is gonna be through the roof unless you can find a way around it. I found a way around it. My insurance for this car is only $240. If I didn't find the way around it, it's like 400 something, like 450. It's really high, because you know, you're young, and they know if you drive a car like this, you probably go fast and stuff. But yeah, I mean, that's basically it. I did have to work for like a year just saving. Like, you can't be like spending money on basically anything. Yeah, I saved about I say about like 12,000 in a year. And I started working like a couple months after I turned 16. And a couple months after I turned 17, I bought the Scat Pack. So I mean, if you save and you really want it, I mean, you can get it. I don't know how quickly you can get it, but that depends on how much you work, how much you make. I ain't even had to fill up gas yet, but I hardly drive. But I know gas is gonna be a pain when I get back to school. And yeah, I pay like $744 a month for this car. I haven't started paying anything yet, because I just got it. But yeah, $744 a month. I can handle it. I still got backup money. Like, don't put all your money in a down payment, because that's a really bad idea. Yeah, because if you have no more money, if you lose your job, you're gonna need that backup money to support you. I think I'm going to the wrong ones. I ain't gonna cut. Hold on. Volunteer police? Can't do nothing. Dang, he gone. What the hell? play or what? Nah, he ain't about it. This car behind me is about it though. What he want? Bro, what is this dude doing? Bro, he got his high beams on. I can't be in that lane. I ain't got two people, even though it's nighttime.